right, today we're doing number 5, graphing by finding the x and y intercepts. So we're going to go ahead and start by finding the x-intercept by setting y equal to 0. So what I get in my equation is 3x minus 2 times 0 equals 9. I'm going to rewrite that. The 2y basically just disappears. I have 3x equals 9. And then solve for x. Got x equals 3. And then do the same thing over here for my y-intercept. I'll set x equal to 0 in the equation. So 3 times 0 minus 2y equal to 9. And now when I rewrite this, the 3x disappears. I have negative 2y equals 9. Divide by negative 2 to solve for y. I have y equals negative 9 over 2. So my intercepts are going to be at 2 points. One at 3, 0, and my second point at 0, negative 9 halves. All right, so before I go to graph it, what I'm going to do is change this from standard form into slope-intercept form. And I'm going to do that by rewriting my equation in standard form and go ahead and solving for y. So my first step would be to subtract 3x on both sides. So that will cancel. I'll have negative 2y equals negative 3x plus 9. And then to get y alone, I'll divide everything, all 3 terms, by negative 2. Cancel that, get y equals 3 halves x plus negative 9 over 2. And then one thing you should notice is once I put this in slope-intercept form, that y-intercept of negative 9 halves matches with the y-intercept that I solved for here. All right, so finally we're going to go ahead and graph that using the 2 intercepts that I found at the beginning. So over here on the graph, I have 1 point at my x-intercept, which is at 3, 0. And then my second point at my y-intercept, which is at 0, negative 9 halves. So that's on the y-axis down. And negative 9 halves, I'll just write that over here. We can write that as negative 4 and 1/2. So that's what I'm looking for, negative 4 and 1/2 on this graph. So down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a half just between 4 and 5. And then now I have those 2 points, so I can draw my line. Get that straight. A nice straight line through our intercepts. And there you have it.